Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you how to use styles and themes consistently in Microsoft Word to create professional and well-formatted documents. This makes your document easier to read and much easier to edit later. To apply a style, first select the text you want to format. Then go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Styles group, you'll see options such as Normal, Heading 1, Heading 2, and Title. Use Heading 1 for main section titles, Heading 2 for subsections, and Normal for regular paragraph text. Applying these styles consistently helps Word understand the structure of your document. If you want to change the appearance of a style, you don't need to reformat everything manually. Simply right-click on the style you want to change and select Modify. From there, you can adjust the font, size, spacing, and color. When you click OK, Word automatically updates that style everywhere it is used in the document. This is especially useful in long documents where consistency is important. To give your document a professional and unified look, you can apply a theme. Go to the Design tab and choose a theme from the available options. A theme controls the overall colors, fonts, and visual effects of the document. You can further customize the theme by changing colors, fonts, or effects if needed. This ensures all headings and text follow the same visual style. Using styles and themes together keeps your document consistent, easy to manage, and visually professional. It also makes features like automatic table of contents work correctly. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Full Course Online for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.